Windows McGee was just an average homeless man.
Hey, I got you a present. Ready?
You're my best friend!
And it's all yours. Until the homeowners move in.
Until he met Dr. Scientist.
I'll pay you $10 to try my new secret formula. Well, that sounds like $1,000,000.
And now, he's about to become a man who is not a normal man anymore.
Well, golly gee, I can move around without actually moving my legs.
You've got to be careful with these powers.
That's my favorite Benjamin Franklin quote.
Now, he's about to find out that having powers means using those powers for good things that you use powers for.
Arrgh, I'm a criminal! Stop right there, criminal! No, that's impossible!
He's being called a real-life superhero.
But not everybody is happy about this news.
Yo soy Paco Ramirez Santiago Gonzalez. Yo soy el ave azul.
He is said to receive the first annual Superhero of America Award. Back to you, Jermaine.
Necesito destruir al hombre máximo.
Maybe you can't do this on your own.
Well, this cake is gonna be delicious! What are you doing? Help! Somebody help! He's taken her. I need your help. John Boyer! Tengo un mono en mis pantalones.
And in the end, three friends will discover that the Force was inside them all along.
Looks like I have two friends now.
Homeless Hero Bakes a Cake, rated PG-13.